In today's tech tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to write to console in JavaScript. Now, this can be helpful whenever you're maybe debugging or during development trying to figure out what's happening where. So let's get right into it. So here we've got some boilerplate HTML set up and a button that will write some stuff to the console. Now, I wrote a string and an object. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the code. So our boilerplate HTML calls a function called log. Here it is. Um, all I've really done here is showcase two of the different things you can do with console.log. And you can write strings, or you can do what I did here, and I wrote a date object, or really any object can be written to the console. And that's all you really need to do is the simple console.log, call it, and it writes straight to here. And you could even call it from here if you really wanted to. As you can see, it writes whatever you want to console. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.